Hello everyone, myself Lekha Navle and today we are going to present some of our major project ideas. Our group number is 8 and our project guide is Praveen Veer sir. So our first project is Smart Water Pump Controller. Used to control pumps used in household and buildings to fill up water tank. The user can also switch the pump off tapping on the stop pump button or may choose to stop the pump after a certain amount of time. So in this project we are going to operate the pump with the help of application in the mobile phone.
Myself, Swati Mishra. Our group next project topic is dry hand washing machine by fog disinfection to save water. After 5 to 50 seconds of water fog exposure, the soap on user hand is washed down with the fog. This requires less than 95% of water that would be required in traditional tap-based. The machines consist of a fan to drive in air that is needed to drive the fog into hand wash chamber.
Myself Disha Sawant. So our next project topic is voice control air purifier and music player. Air pollution is now global problem and especially in major cities. Well, here we develop a modern day air purifier which can be operated by just voice commands and which also plays and relaxing music when asked by user.
So our next project is fertilizer monitoring system. The recording time and test samples are automatically saved with the display feature. The data can be transferred to base station monitoring software. In this project we are going to use NPK sensor that is nitrogen, phosphate and potassium. It would be sensed from the soil and the information would be sent to the base station monitoring software. So these are our 5 parameters and subparameters of matrix table. So for our first project, Smart Water Pump Controller, resource availability 25%, Mentor 1, Literature 1, Components 1, Training 1, Software or Hardware Tools 1, Knowledge Impact 25%. In this project we are going to use Arduino. We are not going to use any kind of microcontroller from this. So we have given 0. Protocol 1. We are going to develop a app. So for app development we have given 1. Interdisciplinary 0. IoT, robotic, AI, ML, blockchain, image processing 0. Social aspect 25%, ease to operation 1, sustainability 1, universal applicability 1, eco-friendly 1, alignment or compliance with government policy 0, time 20%, time to learn new technology 1, time for sourcing the components 1, external dependency 1, time for sourcing tools 1, time for survey or field testing 1. Cost 5%, component cost is 1500, enclosure or fabrication 1000, survey 1000, report preparation 3500, paper presentation or publication 1000. So the total cost for this project is 8000.
Dry hand washing machine by fog disinfection to save water. Are subparameters. Resource ability 25%. Mentor 1, literature 1, component 1, training 1, software hardware tools 1, total is 5. Knowledge impact 25%. We can use 8 mega controller, so on. Protocol 1, app development 0, internal disciplinary 0, IoT, robotics, AI, MI, blockchain, image process 0. Total is 2. Social aspect 25%, A's to operations 1, sustainability 1, universal applicability 1, eco-friendly 1, alignment compliant with government policy 0. So total is 4. Time 20%, time to learn new technology 0, time for sourcing the component 1, external dependency 1, time for sourcing tool, software hardware 1, time for service survey field testing 0. So total is 3. Costing 5%, uh, component 5000, training 0, enclosure fabrication 0, survey 0, mentor 800, report preparations 2000, PCB 1500, preparations presentations 1000. So total is 10300.
The marking for voice control air purifier and music player are resource availability is 25%, mentor 1, we doesn't need any mentor for this project, literature 1, components 1, training 1, software hardware tools 1, so total is 5. Knowledge impact 25%. In this project we are using Raspberry Pi, so 1, protocol 1, app development 0, interdisciplinary 0, uh, image processing 0, so total is 2. Social aspect, ease of operation 1, sustainability 1, universal applicability 1, eco-friendly 1, alignment compliance with government policy 0, so total is 4%. Time 20%. Time to learn new technology 1. Time for sourcing the component 0. External dependency 1. Time for sourcing tools 1. Time for survey field testing 1. So total is 4. Cost 5%. Components, so the cost of the components is 9,000. Training 0. Fabrication 1,000. Survey 1,000. Mentor 0. Report preparation 1,000. PCB 4,000. Paper presentation publication 1,000. So the total cost of this project is 17,000.
So marking for this project, missing component detection PCB, IP, using IP, resource ability 25%, mentor 0, literature 1, component 1, training 0, because we are using for IP. IP. Knowledge impact 25%, STM32, RPI, ARM 8051, LPC 0, protocol 1, app development Android 1, interdisciplinary 0, IoT robot, AMII blockchain image processing. Social expert 25%, easy to operation 1, suitability 1, universal applicability 1, eco-friendly 1, alignment complaints with government application, government policy. Time 20%, time to learn new technology 0, time for sourcing the component 1, external developments 1, time for research, sourcing tool software hardware 1, time for survey field testing 1. Cost 5%, component 8,000, training 8,000, incur source fabrication 0, survey 100,000, mentor 0, report replication 100,000, PCB 2,000, paper presentation publication 1,000, total 40,000.
For our next project, fertilizer monitoring system, resource availability 25%. In mentor we have given 1, literature 1, components 1, training 1, software or hardware tools 1. Knowledge impact 25%. In this project we are going to use 8051 microcontroller, so we have given 1. Protocol 1, we are going to develop an app, so we have given 1. Interdisciplinary 0, IoT, robotic, AI, ML, blockchain, image processing 0. Social aspect 25%, ease of operation 1, sustainability 1, universal applicability 1, eco-friendly 1, alignment or compliance with government policy 0. Time 20%, time to learn new technology 1, time for sourcing the components 1, external dependency 1, time for sourcing tools 1, time for survey or field testing 0. Cost 5%. The total component cost is 7,000. Enclosure or fabrication 1,000. Survey 1,000. Report preparation 3,500. PCB 0. Paper presentation or publication 1,000. So the total cost for this project is 13,500. So this is the final matrix table. Here we have given the marks for each table, and in the weightage column we have given the final percentage. So for the smart water pump controller, the final percentage is 4. Dry hand washing machine by fog disinfection 3.3. To voice controlled air purifier with music player 3.6. Missing component detection on PCB using image processing 3.65. Fertilizer monitoring system 3.95. So the final project comes from Decision Matrix is smart water pump controller. Thank you.